Okay, so I've popped the music back on here because I want to show you another thing you can do in iMovie, and that is to add transitions and also to put titles on. So I've just put the movie back together. Right, first up, the transitions menu is here, this little box that's split into four. Now, if you hover over each one, it'll show you an example of what the effect is when you put it onto your movie. So what I want, I think I'll have a cross blur actually. So what you need to do is just drag it up and you'll see there's a green line, a bright green line, and that appears between the clips. So you just choose where you want the transition to be and then you drop it. And now you see here's the transition. Just to add something a bit different and to just put some variation into your movie. Right, so I'm just going to grab a cross dissolve as well and pop that one in here. And there you go, see. Just makes things a bit more visually interesting and keeps everything flowing nicely. Right, and the other thing that I wanted to show you was how to add titles onto your movie, okay? So that is up here in this menu bar again. We're on the T this time, and here you've got lots of different types of title text. And if you hover over them, if they've got anything that moves or changes, it will show you an example of what that looks like. So I'm just going to grab this one here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on this clip because it's a nice introduction clip and it's right at the start. So, right now I'm just going to type in, and to type in all you have to do is just select the text in the viewer window here that you've been using to see the actual clips. So I'm just going to type example again because it's nice and clear. So see, in this title you've got the real title, and in the background you've got this kind of after image. The title's called Echo, so it's an echo. Okay, so I'm quite happy with how that looks now. Let's have a final watch and just make sure everything is right. Okay, so I've noticed at the end there just a little bit of a problem with the clip, so what I'm going to do is just quickly go in the precision editor, go to the end here, and then just tidy this up a little bit, and there we go. Nice and quick, just makes everything flow nicely and just make sure the end is nice and tidy. Okay, but other than that I'm quite happy with what we've got so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually export it. Right, so how you do that is you go up to Share in the top menu, and then you go down to Export Movie. It'll bring up this box here. Gives you a chance to change the name if you want to. I think example's fine, and where you want to put it, I think that should be fine as well. But I'm going to change it to HD because it's HD footage, and then I'm just going to click export. Right, and then it'll give you time remaining in a little bar, and you just need to wait a few minutes and then your video will be ready to watch. Okay, there we go, we're all done now, and I'll just go and open that. Yep, here we go, example.mov. I will start that off, open in QuickTime, here we go. Okay, so there we go, it's all finished.